Hello, kids. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create a presentation. So, I know that you all know the basic things about presentation, but here today I will teach you how to copy paste the content from a web page and how to add a hyperlink too. Okay, so how to create it better. So, first of all, let's search and open your PowerPoint. Then after, let's click on blank presentation and then let's give the topic. Actually, today you are going to copy and paste the content from the National Geographic Kids website. It's all about the animals. So let's type here the topic as animals and then the subtopic animal types. Okay, now I'm going to do some formattings to this. Let's select and then let's change the font and the size. And if you want, you may bold, italic, underline, and if you want, you can give a beautiful color also. Okay, and for the animal types also, I'm going to give a different font style. And let's make it a little bit bigger. And then after, let's give a different font color. Now, let's open our website. Okay, for that, first of all, go to Google, click on the Google Chrome and go to Google and then type animals and press the enter key, and then after scroll down the, yeah, not now, scroll down the screen, then you will find this National Geographic Kids website. Click it and open. Okay, so from this website you are going to copy and paste the contents. Okay, so we gave the topic as animals and the subtopic as animal types. Next we are going to add these animal types one by one into our slides. So let's go back to presentation, PowerPoint, and let's add a new slide. Click on to content. Next, let's open our website and click on mammals, and then let's start to copy and select our content. Now I'm going to select. Okay, I click and drag it and then on it right click copy, and then let's go back to our presentation and click here, right click and then paste. Okay, make sure that you click on this third option, keep text only. Okay, and then let's go back to our website and then after select the small paragraph, click it and drag it up to here, right click, copy, and then presentation, click here, right click and paste. Now let's add an image of a mammal here. So for that, click on this box and then let's click on insert, and then you can click on this online pictures. Okay, so sometimes you may have a drop down arrow head here, so when you click on that, there you will find the online pictures. Now I click on the online pictures and search for mammals. Press the enter key, and then after you can select one of them. Okay, just click one picture you like and then click on insert. Okay, and next at the third slide, let's go to home and let's click on new slide to content, and let's go back to our website. Now you have to go back to your home page. For that, click on this arrow at the top left and next click on birds, and here you have to do the same thing again and again. So select birds, right click, copy, go to PowerPoint, click here, right click, paste. The same thing. Okay, so I'm quickly doing. So click and drag, select, right click on it, copy, and go to presentation, right click here, paste. And then let's add an image of a bird. Click on the box, insert online pictures, and then after search for birds. Okay, so you can select an image and then click on insert. Okay, and now let's go back to home and add another slide to content, and this time let's go back and take reptiles. Okay, copy, go back to your presentation, right click paste, and the presentation, select the paragraph, copy, right click here and paste. And let's add an image of a reptile now. Insert online pictures, enter, press the enter key, and click on an image you want to add. Okay, so I'll add this and then click on insert. Okay, and next click on home. The fifth slide again, once again to content, and go back to our website and click on the arrow here to go to the home page. And now let's create another slide for amphibians. Okay, so click it and select, right click copy, and go to your presentation, right click paste, and let's go back to National Geographic Kids website and select this, right click, copy, and go to your presentation, right click, paste here, and then let's add an image of a amphibian. So let's type amphibians, right? So you can scroll and find an image of an amphibian. So let's add this and click on insert. Okay, now children, after this we have two more here. Okay, so I'm not going to add another two slides for invertebrates and fish. Instead of that, I'm going to make hyperlink to this web page. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So I open my PowerPoint, and next I'm gonna add, let's go to home and click on the new slide, the section header. Okay, in this I'm going to add a hyperlink here. Then when I'm playing the presentation without going to the Google Chrome or my web browser and search there, easily I can jump into the web page. So let's see how to do that. Okay, let's go back to our National Geographic Kids website. Make sure that you are in the home page, and then here click on the web address. Just click one time there, then it will select, and then right click on it, and then after click on copy, come back to your PowerPoint, right click, do not paste here, you have to click on hyperlink, and then here front of this address bar, right click and paste it, and then click on OK. Now you can see the web address has pasted. Okay, and now let's end our presentation. For that, I'm going to add a thank you slide. Okay, so I click it here and click on the center alignment and type thank you. Okay, and then I drag and place it here in the middle, select and give some formattings here. Quickly let's select, okay, and let's make it bigger, and then after give a beautiful color for that. Okay, and then if you want to make it more bigger, you may drag it and make this dotted line, the box, dotted box bigger, and then make it big. Okay, after this let's give a design. Okay, you can choose a theme color. Okay, so you can pick any, just like this. If not, like this. Okay, after that you can give the transitions. When you are giving the transitions, make sure that you click on from the beginning one by one and give the transition. So select, and you can give it, so it will be looks like this. And the second slide, cube, and the third slide, I'm gonna give different. Okay, yes, and the fourth, and the fifth. So after you added a transition, you can see a tiny star symbol below the numbers. Okay, it means you have given the transition for those slides. Okay, and next I would like to get this origami to fly my slide. And at last, for the seventh, I'm gonna give this airplane, just like this. So I have given transitions for all my slides. Now let's see how to add animations. So for that, I'm clicking on the first slide. I'm starting from the first, so I can make sure that nothing is missing. Okay, so next I click on the animations. Now here, see, these are the animations. I can't select any because animations you are adding to the objects or as the text or the images which you have added in the slide. Okay, so make sure you click on it before you give the animation. Now can you see that when you click on it only it turned to colors? Okay, so you can find more. Okay, and next I'm adding this animal types, and I will give floating. Okay, so now after added animations, you can see it's giving a number. So you can make sure that you have given the animation, that is the order of how the slideshow is playing. Okay. And the second slide, now here I have three parts: the topic, the content, the paragraph, and the image. So I click one by one. And the next, let's give this split. And for these images, I'm gonna give the wheel, okay, and the birds, fly in. So here wipe, and here for all the images I'm going to give field, okay, so that I can make it faster. Reptiles, fly in, and the wipe, and here I'll give pale, and the fifth slide, and I think I gave for the fourth, right? Yeah, amphibians, the topic. Um, I'll give the survival, okay, and this the shape and the image wheel, okay, and the sixth one is the slide where I given the hyperlink. So I click on it, and for this I will get a bounce, and at last for the thank you I will give this wave. Okay, all right. Now I have given animations to all my slides. Now, first, before we play the presentation, let's save it. Click on the save button here, okay, or else you can go to file and click on save, and then you can choose um, folder from here. If not, you may click on browse, and then you can choose the location or the folder where you want to save. I'm going to save it on the desktop, and so I'm going to give the topic as animals, the file name as animals, give a meaningful name, animals year 3, and click on save. Okay, so after saved your work, you can see at the top here the saved name. Okay, now let's play our presentation. Go to slideshow and click on from beginning. Okay, so to run the presentation, you may click on the screen. If not, you can use space bar. If not, you can press the enter key. If not, you can use your arrow keys. Okay, so for each, you have to press or click. Okay, so now let's imagine you want to, while you are doing the presentation, you want to show this web page to your audience. So now you can click on this hyperlink and jump to the National Geographic Kids website. Now, when you have a hyperlink, when you move your mouse pointer over there, you can see the mouse pointer change to a symbol of a hand. Then click on it. Okay, it will open the National Geographic website for you. Now, from here onwards, you can open the invertebrates and show the pictures and the informations. And you can go back, and then after you can click on the fish. Okay. Then after, let's go back to our presentation, the slideshow. Okay. And next, right click and thank you. Okay, so please do practice, children. Please watch the video and do practice. You can choose different topics about your books or any other website you may choose and create your own presentations. Thank you for watching.